Paver stone can be a very expensive material. The average cost of installation is $8 to $25 per square foot, and the cost of larger stones may even be more. In addition to material cost, the cost of installation includes any necessary sealant. There are many different types of paver stones on the market, and the cost of each will vary depending on the material and its thickness. Before installing, the area needs to be prepared. This may involve removing the lawn and installing a drainage system or conduits for utilities. It may also involve excavating land for a base. If this is the case, the cost may rise even more. Depending on the type of stone, the base itself may cost between $12 and $20 per square foot. The cost of paver stone installation is generally higher than that of other materials, such as concrete. The materials and labor required are roughly equivalent to $20 to $60 per square foot. Large format bluestone flagstone is the most expensive type of paver. It will also take longer to complete. However, it is well worth the money.